Hi, I'm Giles from Fraction ERP. If you're looking for a powerful and easy to use cloud ERP system, then welcome to our site. We're a UK-based company developing our cloud ERP system for small to medium-sized companies. Today I want to give you a feel for who we are, who we help, our approach to our ERP product, and to help you understand if we might be a good fit for your business. We know there are many choices for ERP and appreciate your time to consider Fraction ERP. We help small and medium-sized manufacturers to develop their business operations and ultimately their performance. We help companies move from basic spreadsheets, fragmented data, and various other tools into an integrated, efficient and real-time system in the cloud. We help companies achieve a way of working that is more efficient, smart, and prepared for future growth. Day after day we hear stories from business owners and production managers that have looked into ERP systems and thought this is just too complex and too expensive for us. But at the same time, they're frustrated with their business performance and they really want systems to work smoothly day in and day out. If you're at that point now where your spreadsheets, production data, paper-based systems and financial software are taking too much time and effort to constantly maintain and it's becoming a strain in your business, then you've definitely come to the right place. Maybe you feel stuck because you haven't found a suitable ERP system for your company, or perhaps you can't afford the capital expenditure right now, or maybe you're just nervous about making the right choice. We know that ERP selection can be a complex and difficult process, but I want you to know that we understand your situation and we're here to help. We've been there ourselves in our own careers, from selecting, implementing and managing ERP. This is the type of company we help all the time. If you want to move to an ERP system because you know the benefits ERP software can bring to your organisation, but you're concerned about introducing a complex software tool into your business, then we can help you. Implementing and managing ERP doesn't have to be complex. We designed our product specifically for small business, and one of our owners actually runs his own manufacturing business with Fraction ERP. If this is your first time on our website, then you can download a free guide on selecting, implementing and running an ERP system. This should give you some good ideas to help you get the best from your decision making and also getting the most out of an ERP system. We have lots of articles on our blog too, and we have overview videos which you can watch, and they should give you a good idea for our software's look and feel. However, most people visiting this site are looking for next steps, and we really recommend speaking to ERP vendors about your requirements and, more importantly, your ambitions for an ERP project. It's essential that you get a feel for the team and the product on offer. If Fraction ERP seems like a potential match, then we can arrange for a free online demo. These take about an hour, and during the demo we can show you around the system and focus in on the pain points you feel within your company and how our solution can help. The demo should also give you an idea of what we're like too, so you can get a feel for whether our team will be able to work well with your business. If you like what you see in the demo, then you can use our 14-day free trial. We'd encourage you to run a test order through Fraction and let all of your relevant staff provide their feedback into the ERP decision. Getting buy-in from your staff can make a huge impact on a successful implementation. Fraction ERP has a simple monthly subscription cost. This is a per user cost, so you can scale up at any time. There's no installation since Fraction is cloud hosted, and you can log in from any computer with a web browser. Additionally, there are no backups or updates to worry about, as we do all of this for you. We're always developing new features, and these are rolled out into the software automatically. If you are genuinely feeling skeptical about ERP, then I invite you to reach out to us by email and ask us some questions. We're happy to help. And we recognise that everyone starts their ERP journey differently, but we're confident that we can help with your journey. So thank you for watching this video and considering our ERP software. We look forward to helping you experience the benefits of ERP with our powerful and simple tool that we love building and, more importantly, love seeing the results it gets for our customers.